Hamdi. Hamdi is the owner of Daddy's Event Enterprise, a company that offers top-tier event management services. He is the employer of 2 employees, Zahidi and Azri. So, Hamdi is the business owner, which is employer, and also a taxpayer under audit for year assessment 2023. There have 2 MTD-related offenses committed by Hamdi as an employer. First, failure to deduct correct monthly tax deduction. Zahidi's MTD should be RM 84.85x 12 equals RM 1018.20 cents. Azri's MTD should be RM 168.65 cents x 12 equals RM 2023.80 cents. Hamdi only paid RM 1,000 for Zahidi and RM 2,000 for Azri. Under Rule 17, PU 507-1994 requires employers to deduct the correct MTD. Penalty can include a fine between RM 200 to RM 20,000 or 6-month imprisonment, or both under S120. Second, late or non-remittance to IRBM. MTD should be remitted to IRB on or before 15th day of the following month, not the 20th day of the following month. Delay or failure to remit is an offense under Rule 17, PU 507-1994 requires employer to deduct an amount of tax, and such deduction must be remitted to IRB on or before 15th day of the next month. Penalty can include a fine of RM 200 to RM 20,000 or 6-month imprisonment, or both under S120. How Hamdi can file an appeal for undeclared rental income for year assessment 2023. When taxpayer dissatisfied with an assessment made on him is entitled to appeal to SCIT by submitting notice of appeal with ground of appeal. Since Hamdi failed to report rental income of RM 24,000, resulting in additional assessment, he can 1. Submit Form Q within 30 days, which is by September 30th, 2024. 2. State clear grounds of appeal. 3. Attach supporting documents. 4. Date and amount of tax payable as stated in the notice of assessment. 5. Signature by taxpayer authorized person. 6. Submit to LHDN. Last but not least, there also have possibilities regarding Hamdi's plan to travel abroad before paying his additional tax. Since Hamdi did not settle up his additional tax, IRBM can stop Hamdi from leaving Malaysia. IRBM may issue a stop order to the Immigration Department. Hamdi can only travel if he settles the tax, gives a security deposit or bank guarantee, and gets a written clearance from the DG of Inland Revenue. Then, ignoring this may cause detention at the airport and legal consequences, including travel restrictions or further penalties. In conclusion, an employer must ensure MTD is correctly deducted from employees' salaries and paid on time. Employer have to make sure they never pay MTD on their behalf, as this breaches tax law. Employer also must declare all income truthfully, including rental income, because unpaid taxes can lead to penalties and even travel restrictions. Therefore, employer must settle the tax dues or arrange payment plan with IRBM to avoid legal action.